Are you looking to fight off all of those germs in your bathroom? Do you walk into your bathroom and it smells disgusting? Well, today I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do to get all of those micro germs in your toilet smell. It's disgusting. You can't have that in your guest bathroom. People coming in and it's smelling like pee. Maybe you've got little boys and they just don't know how to aim correctly. Not their fault. They're learning. Hey, let me know in the comments down below if you can relate. Today I'm going to show you one way to get smells out of your toilet. It's not only going to get the germy smells out, but it's also going to clean it. And you're not going to have to lift a finger. Grab you some hydrogen peroxide. I know, it's very odd. Do you ever remember when your mother would put hydrogen peroxide on maybe a wound and things kind of turned white, like your skin turned a little white? Well, that's because it was killing all of those germs. So grab you some hydrogen peroxide and let me show you what we're going to do. All we're going to do is take our hydrogen peroxide, open it up. You can even use expired hydrogen peroxide, so if you have some that's just been sitting in your house for a while and you don't want to throw it away, perfect solution. And all we're going to do is put this inside of our toilet and then we're going to let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. And that's all we do. You can also take this with some paper towels and wipe the rest of your toilet down, getting in all of the crevices. Another bonus tip that you can do is if you have a stinky, smelly drain, this is gonna work perfect as well. Just go ahead and put it down there. This is so much cheaper than buying Drano because I recently bought it and it was super expensive. And hydrogen peroxide is not expensive and it's also a great germ fighting agent. So just go ahead and put that down the drain. Now I used about a cup. We're gonna let that sit for about 45 minutes. Gonna kill all those germs because nothing is worse than having your sink turn on and it smells disgusting. If it's still stinking after you do this, you may have a clog in it. And all you have to do now is flush the toilet after 45 minutes to an hour. Even if you let it sit there a little bit longer, it'd be perfectly fine. And voila, you have just gotten rid of all of those germs that are in there. Look how beautiful and clean that is looking now. If you guys would like to know what happens when you put an apple on your windshield, click on the video link right here and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!